Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build product selling e-commerce website in Squarespace. Once on squarespace.com, the first thing I'll need you to do is create an account. To create an account, you can tap on Get Started in the top right-hand corner, and from there you'll be able to create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, what I want you to do next is you're going to be redirected to a page just like this. On this page, you're going to tap on Online Store right below Type. After you have done that, you can scroll down, and from here you can see different templates that you can choose from. So for example, if we were to select one page, let me do that real quick. You can see some one-page templates that you can choose from also. So you can select any one of these options. So I'm just going to be selecting this one for example's sake. After you have done that, you can choose the color theme that you would want to use. Then you're going to tap on Start with this design. After selecting Start with this design, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can now give your website a name. So for example, I'm just going to call it Test Store. Then you'll tap on Continue. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Close in the top left hand corner. After closing it, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on the Settings cog in line with your initial right here. So you're going to tap on the Settings cog. After tapping on the Settings cog, I want you to select Third-party Tools from the left hand menu option. After doing that, you're going to tap on Extensions. You'll be redirected to the App Store. Once on the App Store, all you'll need to do now, you could tap on the search bar right here and you could type in dropshipping for example. So you could do that. After typing in dropshipping, you'll see different apps that you can use. Most of these apps you'll have to pay to use them. The only app that you could use for free is this one. So we're going to be selecting it. After selecting the app from here, you're going to tap on Connect from the left-hand menu option. After tapping on Connect, you're going to tap on Allow. Once you have tapped on Allow from here, you'll be able to sign in. So let me sign in real quick. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page. And all you'll need to do now, you can quickly scroll down and you're going to tap on Search Products. After selecting Search Product, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. From here, you'll be able to select the category that you would like to find products in to add to your store. So let's say, for example, I want to use the sports and entertainment category. All I would need to do is tap on that. After you have done that, you can select the product that you would like to add. So let's say, for example, I would like to add this product. You can tap on the product and from here, you'll be able to see more information about the product. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Add Product to Catalog. Then from there, you're going to tap on Got It. After you have done that, from here, you can create a catalog. So for example, I'm going to be creating a catalog right here. I had one before, but I'm going to be creating a new one. So I'm just going to call it Test Product. Then you can set your margin right there, and I'm going to be setting a 10% margin. Then I'll tap on Save. After you have done that, you can go over to the right hand menu option and you can see that the product has been added. Now keep in mind, for the product to be added to our store, we'll need to go on one of the paid plans on Squarespace. For example, you can see the product right here. And if I were to tap on View All Catalogs, you can see right here, in your current plan, products cannot be uploaded to your store. Upgrade now and start a 14-day free trial to upload products, automate updates, and sync orders. So once you're on their paid plan, all you'll need to do is come into this section after selecting the product, and you will be able to tap on Sync, and it will automatically be synced to your store. Once it is synced to your store, you can go back into your store, and from there you will be able to add, for example, the different payment options that you would like to offer. So all you'll need to do is tap on Selling from the left hand menu option. Then you will tap on Payments. After tapping on Payments, you'll be able to connect Stripe, PayPal, and Square. So you'll be able to offer these payment options to your customers. After setting up the payment option, from there you'll be able to tap on publish for your website to go live. In case you're wondering the price points of their different packages, you can see them right here. So the best one would normally be the business plan, which is for $23. So you could use this plan if you're planning to use the Squarespace platform to sell online. By the way, I'll be leaving a link in the description of another platform that you can use to start selling online for completely free. Thanks for watching this tutorial.